how to change language on Air Arabia. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you'll learn how you can change language on Air Arabia. So to do so, the first step is to open up the application, just like I've done here. And then once you've opened the application, the next thing that you should do is to move to the top right corner where you can see three horizontal lines, then click on it. Then amongst the options displayed, you can see boarding pass, flight status, settings, contact us, email us, terms and conditions, etc. So just go ahead and click on settings. Then on the settings page, you can see options like app language, currency, country. So just click on app language and the other languages available would also be displayed, which includes English, French, Espanol, Italiano. So if it's Francais, for example, which is French, you can just click on it and then your application will be restarted and the language would be changed. So if you desire to change the language of your application, just follow these procedures and you are good to go. Okay, that is it. Thank you for watching and have a good day.